Cutting-edge grass grooming tech meets the 24V Ion Plus series with the 48-volt cordless lawnmower by Sunjoe. Powered by the exclusive Ion Plus lithium-ion battery system, Sunjoe includes two 24-volt, 4-amp-hour lithium-ion batteries for up to 65 minutes of rechargeable runtime with zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. No more gas, fumes, fuss, or tangled extension cords, just the ultimate in cordless convenience. Sunjoe's 670-watt brushless motor is engineered for efficiency, providing you with maximum performance and extended motor life to keep your mower running stronger, longer. The durable steel blade mows a path 17 inches wide in a single pass for an exceptional trim every time. Customize your cut to suit your lawn. The 6 adjustable height settings from 1 inch to 3 inches provides a perfect and precise trim every time. And for easy cleanup, Sunjoe's included 11-gallon grass bag collects clippings as you mow to prevent thick thatch buildup. When the work is done, simply plug the battery packs into the included dual-port charger and get powered up in just under 2 hours. And for continued peace of mind, Sunjoe's backed by a full 2-year warranty for reliable performance you can count on. So when there's work to be done, go with Joe for the legendary power and performance of the 24V X2 17LM 48-volt cordless lawnmower from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
Introducing the Ego 21-inch Select Cut Lawnmower. Engineered to outperform, it features Ego's new-to-the-world Select Cut multi-blade cutting system. It's the first lawnmower of its kind and sets a new bar for power and performance. The Select Cut multi-blade cutting system is equipped with 2 interchangeable lower blades, the Edge Premium Mulching Blade and the Edge Tri-Cut Blade. The Premium Mulching Blade is ideal for weekly mowing and gives you the cut quality and runtime you expect from a high-end lawnmower. The Tri-Cut Blade is a heavy-duty blade that turns grass into fine fragments, ideal for both mulching and bagging. Both the mulching and Tri-Cut blades come with the lawnmower and can be easily swapped out depending on the cut desired. The Ego Edge upper blade is fixed in place and works with the lower blade selected to slice the grass the lower blade sucks up and greatly enhance cutting performance. Ego harnesses the power of the industry's most advanced 56-volt 5-amp-hour arc lithium battery by delivering up to 45 minutes of cutting time on a single charge. Ego's durable construction is second to none, featuring heavy-duty aluminum handles, a double-wall composite deck, and even ball-bearing wheels. Easily adjust your deck height with a single lever from 1.5 to 4.5 inches with 7 separate increments. bright LED headlights allow you to mow at dawn or dusk. And when the work is done, easily fold the mower flat for compact storage. The Ego 21-inch Select Cut Multi-Blade Lawnmower, the latest innovation from the #1 rated brand in cordless outdoor power equipment. Ego, power beyond belief.